Welcome back, Party Angel. We're taking cake decorating to level 2 of our Father's Day cake series, a fun and elevated design that's perfect for all the golf-loving dads out there. I'll show you how to turn a simple cake into a mini golf course masterpiece, complete with a sand trap, water hazard, and a real golf ball. I'm Madeline, your party-loving bestie with over 20 years of throwing award-winning themed events. But you know what I love most? Helping my friends shine and feel amazing at every celebration. So if you're planning something sweet for Father's Day, today's tutorial is going to be a hole-in-one. So let's talk about this cute DIY cake topper. I made this cute pennant flag myself, and I'll be giving it to you as a free printable. It says Happy Father's Day on one side and number 1 Dad on the other. It's printed on plain paper, and you just cut it and add a bamboo skewer with glue dots. Click the link in the description below and download and print yours at home for free. I also added a few other bonus assorted flag designs in there if this one isn't your vibe. So to get this started, we started with store-bought white frosting. I used just a few drops of food coloring. It gives it a vibrant grassy look that really brings out the golf course. And then I did the same in a small bowl with the blue food coloring to get my water frosting. So then you'll ice the whole cake from edge to edge with that green and carve out a spot that you want for the golf ball. Next, we would add the water hazard with the blue icing. You can use a spatula, drop it any shape you want. I mean, mine kind of curve around the side, just like a little pond, to add a playful, realistic touch. Then the fun part is adding the sand trap. This is one of my favorite and easy decorating looks. It's brown sugar, y'all. So it's a perfect texture and color and looks just like real sand when you press it down. So lastly, I had to carve out a little place with a spoon so that the golf ball sits in the hole nicely. And I just grabbed this golf ball from my husband's golf bag. And obviously you just want to wash it well before putting it on your cake. And there you have it, a fun and festive and totally doable golf themed cake. Then this is just level 2 of our 3-part Father's Day series. So if you missed level 1, click the link below. Make sure you come back for level 3. And don't forget to like this video if you got some fun ideas, and subscribe for more simple fun party ideas, and download your free cake topper below. Thanks for hanging out with me. Happy Father's Day. Keep shining. We'll see you at the next party.